Let's go. Karan Kanchan.
What's up?
What's up, bro? What's happening?
Nice.
You're coming from. Sorry.
Cheers. Come
I know
on.
audio is like a sensitive thing for you, but
Hello. Yeah, finally. Check.
थोड़ा ऊपर ले लेते हैं.
let's go.
Check. What's up?
Yeah. Why don't you have like this ad lib for your? You think it's tacky?
Producer
Nah,
भी.
producer.
Producer.
tag.
Yeah, I don't have my own producer tag for sure, but मेरे को देखना था कि without a producer tag how far I can go, so वो देखना था. But because the thing is कि lot of people told me बना यार, but मेरा नाम भी ऐसा है करण कांचन, तो थोड़ा.
अच्छा
It's a
नाम है,
nice
bro.
name, bro.
But like I'm not sure how it will sound on a beat. Like if Divine did it right, so now
Yeah.
that is only the beat
Yeah.
tag, but I don't use it as such.
Yeah.
But हाँ, मतलब like if you see Dr. Dre doesn't have a beat tag. Like
Yeah.
all those artists, like I want to be like them. So
Sky, bro.
Oh, I think it'll be kind of cool if you get like every artist to say your name.
Make their
once.
own.
now, I can make it with AI also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. AI में तो किसका भी कर सकता है. तो
यशराज क्या करना है?
We're already 1 minute into this episode and I'm already abusing Yashraj. Yashraj, fuck you. Wherever you are watching this episode.
क्या बात है, अच्छा है तुम्हारा. That song you guys have together is too
Raag,
hard, bro.
yeah.
Oh, bro, it's too
Bro,
good.
that song it's called Raag, but when we were making it, मेरा AC नहीं चल रहा था घर पे, so it was actually
Actually
like
raag.
sitting in like a oven,
Yeah.
and we made. He still gives me shit for that. Yashraj and like कि भाई उसके घर पे इतना गर्मी हो रहा था. बोला भाई sorry, servicing नहीं हुआ था.
That rage came out because of
Yeah,
that. only,
exactly.
I
That was a
think.
part of the process. So it worked out. But yeah, that song we always like Yashraj ka, and we were from that whole crew. मतलब तभी जब we were like trying to do some
Yeah,
like on
something
our
new.
own. तभी का time का बात था. तो like we used to perform at the Trap House Delhi events होता था ना जो Habitat above the Habitat.
Okay.
So that's where I got to know about Yashraj and we were like हाँ एक बार कुछ बनाते साथ में. And he is also a very like he likes rage
Yeah.
music. So that's how Raag came together. And Dropped Out also, shout out to Dropped Out.
What were those events like? मैंने थोड़े clips देखे जिसमें like rap battle is happening. This is happening.
So this Trap House Delhi, shout out to P Man who used to organize these. It used to happen on Thursday nights, and it was like 100 rupees entry only. You know, apparently MEV also performed his first show ever at Trap House Delhi. 100 रुपया टिकट था, 4000 लोग आ गए थे बोलते बाहर.
Fuck.
It was too packed.
That's crazy.
It was too packed. And उसके बाद से थोड़ा issues हो गया था. But that's where I met Altaf also for the first time, MC Altaf. And this was like proper scene के लिए था. मतलब people would pay just 100 rupees and that was BYOB. So a lot of people would come there and like just have a good time. Check. Yeah.
Then?
So yeah, that was a scene. Like that was a genuine scene. Which was, and उसकी वजह से काफ़ी सारे ये हुआ है कि मतलब like butterfly
Collaborations.
effect. Yeah, butterfly effect. उसके मतलब it was a proper thing for the scene and underground. अभी नहीं होता है, but होना चाहिए. I
How
guess.
long ago was this?
This was back in 2018.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
Not too
yeah,
long.
Oh, उससे पहले भी था ना like Spit Dope and all was happening.
Yeah, Spit Dope and all. I was not really much like I didn't know about the entire scene. I was not involved in rap that much. I got into hip hop only after 2018.
Okay. They've already taken over the whole thing. 5 साल के अंदर.
Nah, man.
Yeah.
But I got lucky, bro, because my first song only in like DHS was with Nazi on when Aane De came out. Right?
Yeah.
So I got lucky that way, and like because again, shout out Spin Doctor.
Yeah.
Because he was one of the guys who like I was just trying out hip hop for the first time, and मैंने एक beat बनाया था, and I played it to Ashley Alvarez and Spin Doctor and all. हम लोग सब मिलते रहते थे. We go back to 2014. So 2018 के टाइम पे मैं उनको सुना रहा था, and Spin Doctor heard this beat and he was like अरे वो बहुत सही है ये, मेरे को भेज वापस भेज. I'll send it to Divine. बोला sure, why not? So he sent it to Divine and Divine liked it. He replied to me on the mail also that yeah, let's sit on this together. But then he got too busy. So तब वो बात आगे नहीं बढ़ा. And then I asked him if I can send it to someone else. So he connected me with DJ Proof. And DJ Proof sent that beat to Nazi and Prabdeep. And Nazi replied that he wanted to work on it. Again, बहुत time तक silence, radio silence. And then he was like, नहीं कुछ नया बनाते हैं. And that became आने दे. So that beat which introduced me to Divine and Nazi is not out there yet.
Damn.
Some beat, bro.
Yeah.
Nah.
It is there.
And you still haven't made anything of it?
No, it's still in my SoundCloud private links.
Damn, bro. That has to
Sound-
Is
come
it
out at
good?
some
Like,
point.
is it a good
I
beat?
mean, it's a
or is-
good sample and like a good bounce to it. So I guess that's why it connected. It has a really nice Indian instrument sample.
Huh. Do you listen to like some of the stuff you made before and be like, "ये क्या था मतलब?"
Of course, bro. I've kept my first beat also somewhere. Like the trashiest thing ever, bro. Like,
Or is it like a house beat?
bro, it was
4x4.
It was polyrhythm. Probably because I didn't know वो FL Studio में आता ना वो
Yeah.
जो step sequencer. I was just like pressing anything and oh, this sounds cool.
This sounds damn nice.
Yeah. I remember one of my friends saying कि bro ये वो book my show का seat book कर रहे हैं ऐसा लगता है वो step sequencer. So I was just making anything, no idea about counts and everything. कैसा भी लंबा बीट बन रहा है 1-1 मिनट का इंट्रो 2-2 मिनट का इंट्रो उसके बाद एक छोटा सेक्शन फिर वापस लंबा 1 मिनट का चेंज.
How old were you when all of this was?
I started running on when I was like 13-14 I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
भाई सबने वो
I
किया
think
तो at some
everyone
point
had
someone
that
installed
कीड़ा,
some
yeah.
like
Software
yeah,
like
कुछ भी नहीं तो iPad पे वो
GarageBand.
yeah
Yeah.
GarageBand or like you press those drums like dum dum dum. I mean that I think that is something that people just have an inclination to like just beats and like
Yeah.
I think you're always fascinated by it.
But the
So
thing is, I was lucky to have a computer at a very early age in my house because my dad was into computers and also I had access to computer and internet also. So मेरे को software में बहुत कीड़ा था पहले से. So that's how I downloaded this software. And उसमें सबसे पहले चीज़ वही था like I couldn't find the close button if you've used FL
Yeah.
Studio वो वहाँ पे नहीं है
Yeah.
किधर लेफ्ट
It's
में
on the
आता
other,
है.
yeah.
चलो बंद कैसे करते हैं इसने पड़ रहा है. So
you just kept producing.
and he hasn't stopped since.
all F4 yeah that's how. But yeah like that's how I got into it because the thing was what I enjoyed was like to create something like
Yeah.
कुछ स्कूल में अकेला एक लड़का उठा
Yeah.
ऐसा कि भाई गाना बना रहा है बना तो it was fun.
अच्छी बात है ब्रो हमारे घर पे भी था कंप्यूटर
But it was just used for different purposes. I mean, you just find internet and
That's where you find the close button the fastest, bro.
if someone's behind
Yeah,
you.
like close.
the button is already there.
Mouse pointer is already on the close.
So डर में देख रहे
Then did you I think you've gone to music school or you went to like an
No.
academy or
You know about this college in Pune only CMEDU.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
So
Sorry, what?
CMEDU.
CMEDU.
Seamless education. It's
Yeah,
it's
in
I heard. Yeah,
Oh,
never mind.
I mean ठीक है था वो it was a phase.
see my dude.
But I met a lot of like वो था मतलब it was like it was the only place where you could get a degree and at the same time specialization in sound engineering. So घर पे डिग्री का भी डिग्री सॉर्ट हो रहा था and ये भी सॉर्ट हो रहा था.
Yeah.
So I took that course and 3 साल में I told myself that I have these 3 years इसमें कुछ कर ले वरना भाई जॉब करना पड़ेगा.
Best best idea.
Yeah, so I was also away from my home. So I was in Pune staying at a PG. So that PG life was awesome. I met so many amazing people and I had the time to myself. Like घर पे रहेगा तो मम्मी बोलती थी कि भाई इतना घंटा हो गया चल बस बंद कर
Yeah,
कंप्यूटर.
yeah.
उधर पूरा रात तक मतलब full day I was just on my PC making music. And हम लोग कॉलेज का लैब था. We could go there मस्त AC में बैठ के गाना बनाओ पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं. So we used to be the last people to leave the college.
Yeah.
Literally we used to put the shutter down and leave. ऐसा वाला scene था कॉलेज का scene. So इतना मस्त मतलब वो those 3 years was best 3 years of my life. I got to meet so many people. Hamshire of course I was my classmate. I met Hanish Taneja who does all my mixes and all the mixes for all the top albums right now. So वो मतलब it was a really good 3-year like boot camp for me in a way where I was also getting my degree sorted and sound का भी मतलब उसने उतना कुछ सिखाया नहीं honestly बताओ तो but it was like you had the time.
Environment was
हाँ,
good.
Yeah.
So you were a Pune boy for 3 years.
3 years, yeah. But
Did you
no,
go out
I didn't do
much?
any Pune activities.
कुछ नहीं.
Yeah, high spirit में third year के बाद ही गया शायद.
वो भी बजाने के लिए seriously.
Yes, actually.
Bro, but it's crazy that you grinded this out like this much. मतलब इतना वो age में like usually for people it's like after you graduate then you're like let me find something.
Yeah.
But for you were just like how did you know that मेरे को यही करना है but like you went all in into this.
So, और कुछ मतलब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था like मेरे को इसमें मज़ा आता था like I was enjoying this process and the best thing was I didn't know what to expect from it like तभी एक image था कि like okay I want to become like a Tiesto or a Diplo वाला सब लोग everyone had that Hardwell phase right.
Yeah.
So वो था तभी and that changed after I visited my first concert but after that a lot of things happened कि मतलब अच्छा चलेगा So after that, a lot of things changed. That concert was a really big turning point for my life. But
क्या हुआ?
Which
मतलब वो
concert was
this, I mean, again, Diplo.
Okay.
So this was a major laser.
2014.
Yeah, no, 15 December. Mad Decent Block Party, second one.
Oh yeah, MDVP
You
they
guys
had.
were there?
No, I knew it was happening.
Crazy था वो show. So that show was the first time I was like, that was the show where I told myself कि मतलब यहाँ पे बजाना है महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स में एक दिन, and then Lollapalooza happened. So that was a full circle moment for me.
Nice.
So that was the Major Lazer का proper they are only कोई Indian artist नहीं था lineup पे, and वो show के time पे I realized that all the artists on the lineup had a very distinct sound, right? And I was like कि मतलब if I try to be there on the stage, what would people take out of me? And I couldn't see. I was just want to be Hardwell. I want to be ये था. So I thought कि let me spend some time to try to find out what I really want to do. And in 2016, I basically didn't release any music. I was just picking up any genre, every new genre, and try to learn about it. And I learned more about my software first, and then 2017, I did a whole J-Trap thing, which I found out after doing it for 1 year in 2016 कि मतलब I enjoy this thing.
So
Yeah.
crazy, bro.
Oh, that's when you started making like bass music.
Yeah,
and
that's how I got into it. उससे पहले it was full house, EDM वाला stuff.
18, 19, I think Necrec, you started that, 18, 19?
18.
Because I think Pune mein you had done a few shows tabhi, Necrec wale.
First Necrec was done in Pune at the venue, the Dock.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we did it.
Oh, you played a show at Dock with
हाँ, but
someone.
it wasn't.
It was a different
like,
one.
That was Doc.
It was with Gokul and
Haan.
That was Doc.
Doc was. I don't know, bro.
I don't remember that place.
I've never
I've
been there.
blocked it out.
I've never been there.
Bro, that was a epic gig. Bro.
Yeah, I
That-
think.
That one we were expecting 40 people, but a lot of people showed up. 110 people showed up for
Yeah.
that. And like, not bad. And that was the first gig which we were doing, and we got barricades inside.
Yeah, I remember the
Yeah.
barricades because
You were
the
there?
dudes were like just going mad at the
stories like
railing,
that,
bro.
huh?
You were
Snapchat
there for
पर.
that.
Snapchat.
I think I was there, bro. For some reason, I have a very distinct memory of this.
Nice. Oh, speaker भी उड़ गया था last में. Bass speaker उड़ गया था इतना जोर से.
Red line किया क्या?
Proudly.
अभी context लोगों को समझाना पड़ेगा. Red line क्या होता है?
Yeah, how do we explain?
When
red
you
line?
play the volume too loud.
Yeah.
Wow, that
That's
didn't seem
the
like
easiest
much
way
of
to explain
context.
red
When you
line.
see a red light on your console.
But bro, at some gigs like you let to let it go after a point. I'm like, bhai,
Same.
after the first 3 drinks while playing, I'm like, bhai, it's just a light.
He's just telling me to stop. He's just saying clipping over there, but fuck it.
But honestly, it will depend करता है bro. Like final output उधर से भी संभाल सकते हैं जो.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Sir said they should handle
But
it.
it's like it will sound squashed.
Yeah.
That's all. Your song.
I feel like with the DJing, a lot of people who get into production, they get into it. I mean, at least before when Tomorrowland just became big and like Ultra and all these festivals were happening, everyone was like, even I want to be a DJ. Then you
That was
install.
one of me.
Yeah, all of us.
It starts like that only. Then you install like
The
Software.
most easily crackable software.
virtual DJ, right?
Virtual DJ is like a
that
turning
was
point in
sweet,
everyone's
yeah.
life.
That was the first software I
Yeah,
downloaded as
same.
well. Virtual DJ, we were talking about it right
Yeah.
now. Like the sample, this.
Virtual DJ was too much fun.
DJ. No, they had some DJ also, like DJ वाला sample, जो अभी भी बजाते हैं विसर्जन में. Heck.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Visarjan music, I think, is like top tier, bro.
for sure.
Like you can't beat that vibe.
Bro, like that's what I'm saying. When I first saw a video of like this Ultra का देखा था मैंने TS2
Yeah.
and Diplo का Come On करके गाना था.
हाँ.
And that video was my turning point again. Like that was the first thing that triggered. This is why I'm making music. Was that video, that YouTube recommendation? अगर वो नहीं रहता था, I would be doing something else right now.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
There was उतना impact था उसका. So that was also like TS2 stage पे खड़ा, Diplo stage पे खड़ा, and there's like thousands of people in front of them. And I have not seen anything like that.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे DJ का क्या है, मतलब वही विसर्जन वाला
वही
DJ
है.
देखा है, हल्दी वाला DJ देखा है. तो when I saw that, I was like, ये क्या है ये चीज़, and like why are so many people giving this one guy so much attention? And I was like, this sound looks cool, and what is he doing with that? I think I had no idea, no clue. तो उसके बाद तो डीजे विसर्जन में जाके देखता था कि क्या कर रहे हैं उन लोग.
हाँ.
कि क्या हो रहा है, कौन सा कंसोल है, क्या है.
Yeah, I think even every time when we started going out, I was always like drawn to the DJ booth.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
let me at least see what
See.
buttons is he pressing. Like,
Yeah.
with us, because the CDJ is a very intimidating
I know.
piece of
It's
equipment.
very complex. Like if you look at it as a
Of course, third.
Nobody,
like,
third
a
person.
starting guy also like.
Yeah.
You're just getting started. It is very intimidating. कि मतलब क्या है भाई?
Bro, was this one time. So I
So
started.
what was the first console you guys performed on? Like,
DDJ
mine was a
Ergo.
CDJ only directly.
do you guys know about Denon?
Yeah.
I started on
You-
Denon 4500 Mark II.
Mm.
This was so like when I started off, like मेरे को पता नहीं था कहाँ जाऊँ, like
Yeah.
किधर से start करना है.
हाँ.
तो the stupidest thing I could do was like sound vendor के पास चला गया जो
हाँ.
विसर्जन में sound था. And I used to be a duo back then. And actually 3 लोग थे हम लोग शायद, पता नहीं. But I went to this Shiva sound system. गोरेगांव में था, like where I stay. And I went there and I told them कि हम लोग को DJing करना है.
Mm.
तो उसने बोला ठीक है आज शाम को आ जाओ. तो बोला ठीक है शो रहेगा कुछ तो रहेगा ऐसा बोला. एंड देन ही इज बेसिकली लाइक तुम लोग को एक यहाँ पे रॉयल चैलेंज करके एक होटल है गोरेगांव में. सो वहाँ पे एक बर्थडे पार्टी है तो तुम लोग को जाना है साथ में. तुम लोग डीजे नहीं करो, एक मेन डीजे है. सो आवर जॉब वाज टू बिकम द लोडर.
Yeah.
तो स्पीकर उठा के लेके जाने का काम सब था. तो आई डिड दैट फर्स्ट एंड सब लगाया, सेटअप वेटअप लगाया. एंड वो प्रॉपर बैंक्वेट रहता ना, छोटा सा बैंक्वेट में पार्टी वैसा वाला जगह था. एंड दैट टाइम वो सब सेटअप वेटअप होने के बाद देयर वाज दिस सम टाइम बिफोर द शो स्टार्टेड, बिफोर द बर्थडे पार्टी स्टार्टेड. एंड दैट टाइम दे वर लाइक कि हाँ ठीक है आप अभी हाथ मार लो इस पे. देन हम लोग वो CD बर्न करके लाए थे 4500 में. मोस्ट मतलब रबर का इतना बड़ा प्ले बटन है उसमें से ऐसा मारना पड़ता है. एंड यू कैन नॉट इवन लाइक देयर इज नो जॉग व्हील.
So you have to be on time.
No, there is no plus minus button.
What do you mean?
हाँ, उसमें plus minus button है, तो pitch थोड़ा आगे पीछे करने के लिए. And there is this one white color का गोला. So if you do it one time, it jumps 5 seconds. 2 times, it jumps 10 seconds. So that's how
Like
you have to like
telephone.
yeah, exactly. So that's what I started on. But ठीक है, because I didn't know where to
Yeah.
go, किससे पूछूं.
Where to
There was no
start,
one to like answer my questions also at that time. So there was this DJ Revel, I remember his name, Ravi Robinson. He was one of the first guys who paid me my first payment also of 500 rupees back in 2015, I guess. Yeah. So I still meet him at shows. He works for Shiva Sound System till now. What was your first payment as a
First
DJ?
payment, bro. First payment. मतलब
I
मैं
think
हाउस
yours was
पार्टीज
good.
नहीं हाउस पार्टीज करता था मैं उससे पहले. दोस्तों का हाउस पार्टी, न्यू ईयर पार्टी ये सब, दैट वाज ऑल फ्री. Because I was learning, I was like, just let me come and do this. मैं खुद equipment ला रहा हूँ. हाँ, भीख मांग रहा हूँ भाई, speaker, give me a speaker. So those were all free. Then I played at High Spirits on a Thursday night. I opened for Quiztech.
Quiztech, I know this guy.
He was playing like house and drum and bass at that time. So they gave me an opening set.
Local scene.
Local scene.
The local scene, yeah.
तो उसमें मैंने बजाया. I still didn't know how to. I still played it like on that DJ Ergo.
हाँ. मतलब DJ में कनेक्ट करके.
हाँ, उधर कोने में खड़ा हूँ क्योंकि CDJ
इतना बड़ा जगह.
मैं बाजू में खड़ा हूँ. I got paid 5 for that.
5K.
Yeah, but I've done for lesser after that.
Yeah.
Like random parties, 1500 rupees.
Yeah.
Like ठीक है.
But that was still be you kind of established as a DJ. Like मैं तो ऐसे ही, that's what like we got paid for like speaker उठाने का काम वो सब के लिए. So but I didn't know where to start. So that was the starting point.
I've mostly learned during the gig only.
That's where you learn the most.
हाँ.
So yeah, that was the मेरे को हाथ मारने के लिए जगह चाहिए था. So I went to Shiva Sound System. But then what I did, I figured out a way around to like get my hands on the console. It's like I'll take part in War of DJs.
I did that
You
once.
also did that, no?
I did it once. I never did it again because it was the first time I was playing on a CDJ. I was like, how different will it be from a controller? I went there, bro. 15 minute, 10 minute का slot था. Just like train wreck after train wreck, bro. Like BPM is not matched. ये हो रहा है, वो हो
That's
रहा है.
how I learned also. I went there. मेरा भी ऐसा कुछ मैच नहीं हो रहा था. मैं सिर्फ जाता था कि बजाने को. And one of the places I went, there was a CDJ 200 if I'm not wrong. तो उसमें मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ, मैं फुल बजा रहा हूँ, सेट ऐसा कर रहा हूँ. तो द वेंडर हु हैड पुट दैट कंसोल, तो ही केम टू मी आफ्टर द स्लॉट एंड ही इज लाइक, तू डेनन पे बजाता ना? मैं बोला हाँ बजाया हूँ. तो वो लग रहा है तो इतने जोर से जो बटन दबाया तो इसमें इतना जोर से दबाना वैसा कर.
You just gotta touch it.
Yeah.
It's damn sensitive, bro.
Yeah, you would know. DJ. That video, bro, of DJ Proof. Right?
Proof.
Bro,
Oh,
start of the set, bro.
That was.
Bro, that was like, man, literally, I was in a moment, है ना?
It was building up, bro. It was just starting.
I'm excited. It's
Yeah.
the first time I'm dropping that Aika Dajiba remix ever.
Yeah.
And I'm like excited to see how it's gonna play and exact ने drop पे काटा
Drop पे उसने
precise.
I
उसका
think
हाथ
the
लग
thing-
गया ना?
I feel like, you know, naturally he's just so used to counting beats. कि उसको लगा रहेगा कि ठीक है bro, it's right there. And it must
Like,
have
I
happened.
know in the video he's looking at his watch and then ऐसा
Yeah. I'm like,
3, 2,
He's
1.
time,
it's
bro.
like हाँ time okay अभी
हाँ,
काट
भाई.
अभी काट
It was so perfect the way he.
But I mean, I watched it and I was like, oh shit, ये हो गया. But then I realized, bro,
Yeah,
it made a moment.
yeah for sure
Like that clip.
but on the first song I was not expecting such a moment
Yeah.
but it was
At least
good,
he could have waited for some time.
yeah.
But isn't that like one of the things about Boiler Room that makes it so iconic? It's the
Yeah.
moments like that, all the
Yeah,
fuck
Chaos.
fuck-ups, yeah,
Chaos.
yeah.
Like,
too good.
The most iconic ones, if you watch now,
Yeah,
like if you observe the people in the background,
They're doing some random shit.
They're
Yeah.
always,
yeah.
the Catronada boy.
The
Yeah.
Catronada one is so like we sometimes put it on and like I'll pick one person
person
and
and
watch them for
watch.
1 hour.
Yeah.
अभी मैंने 2-3 देखे. I have to watch it a few more times.
But I think like the most iconic Boiler Room is the Skrillex one.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
I think that's what made all of us want to become a DJ.
Yeah.
It made me think differently
Yeah.
about DJing.
Yeah.
is
I remember he
what I'm
started his set with Joyride ka
Joyride, yeah.
hot drum.
saying. Yeah.
Yeah, that time it was a big
was-
deal. That set was.
I still remember that woman going, "Kai Shanghai."
yes. And there's Jas Davis also.
Yeah,
his
Jas
video-
Davis is
yeah,
the
in the back.
videographer. Crazy, bro.
I watched that and I was like, okay, like you can play unlimited genres. Like you don't have to stick to one genre or
yeah.
two genres. Because before that, if I'm playing a house party, it's always commercial.
Yeah.
बीच में 1-2 EDM के गाने डाल दिए. But like this was like, oh bro, he's playing house also. Trap is happening. Drum and bass. What is drum and bass? Let me go and look up
Yeah.
drum. So that opened me to a new world. And then I was just like, bro, the way he's doing it.
And his mixing is also so like
His
genius.
mixing is
like,
beautiful, bro.
too good.
Like,
so OG.
now also if you see his sets,
Yeah,
he'll
bro.
suddenly drop Baile from nowhere.
Nowhere.
And from there
transitions
suddenly
are like
his transitions
epic.
are too good.
Like not even.
That also like it gives you, you're like, you don't just have to beat match.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
song to the next to the
Exactly.
next. That's like boring. I mean, if you
I
can
know,
do it,
do
but
it.
like if you're playing to a crowd, that's just like
Yeah.
crazy.
Full of
You have
energy.
to
But yeah,
mix
you
it
can
up.
like bring in so much like surprises also while doing that. Like मतलब अचानक से आ गया कुछ switch कर दिया. Like people that moment right when you mix. Even when I play the set, I try to make my transition in a way कि when I hit the transition, I should hear a reaction.
You should hear the reaction, yeah.
Yeah. So lately I've been focusing on that also. So it's been fun with all these college shows and all. Like जैसे mix हुआ, there's a reaction. Okay, हाँ.
Yeah.
Then you know you've done something right.
Yeah. No, that boiler room set that you played was just like like we were there when it happened. Then I watched it back also. I
Yeah.
was like, bro,
It's
it's
very
like
clean,
a
yeah.
clean
Yeah.
set with surprises. There's like personality in that set. Like you can तू खुद के गाने भी बजा रहा है. Then you're representing India also with the songs you're playing. Then it's even more local when you played songs from Maharashtra, which was like
that was the plan because the thing is कि like boiler room like people have an idea of it and like if you're doing it in India I'm going to play the same UK and like
Yeah.
what would be the difference right so like that's why I wanted to play what I want to play and like play the music which I have grown up listening to वो सब भी डालना था and in a way just have a fun party set not like a very take you on a journey kind of a DJ set I don't want to do that.
I mean, I'm assuming it's different for people who produce music. Like you kind of have to play some of your music.
Yeah,
'cause you have
for
to
sure.
You also want to
represent
play
yourself.
it, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like with someone who's a DJ, like
Yeah.
I always have this discussion with people. Like I used to play a lot of house music. Like almost all my sets were
Yeah.
house sets. And I was like, bro, like on what basis am I just playing house music? Like I don't make any of this. So it's not my genre. I like playing it.
Yeah.
But if I'm at a venue playing music and I'm saying no, I'm a house DJ, but like the crowd doesn't give a fuck.
You want to have fun.
Like on what ego are you
Yeah.
doing this? No one is having fun then.
Exactly. वो होता है मतलब that's what you have to understand like as a DJ are you trying to दो चीज़ होता है ना कि like if the people are coming to see you then you gotta play
can
what
play,
what
exactly.
what you represent but like if there's a party is happening which has a multiple like सब जगह से crowd आ रहा है it's your responsibility to make
cater
sure
to the
that
whole audience.
they have a good night they have a fun night like मतलब वो होना चाहिए so I look at it in both ways sometimes like when it requires me to like play for a club, right? I play my set accordingly.
Yeah.
And like that's why I've separated my whole live thing also. So where I'm doing Karan Kanchan Experience, there's like all original music, no DJ set as such. And when I'm doing DJ set, it's just party. Like you wanna come, have fun. That's what we're gonna do. That's the scene.
Yeah, that the set that you did at
Lola.
That was the first time you were doing that set.
Yeah. So like on that scale, yes, because we had done something similar like that with Spotify Rap 91 back in 2022, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, it was a really, really like dream come true kind of moment when we did our Lola. And there was like a full team of like 35 people behind making this possible. So yeah.
And all the guest artists also.
Yeah, including
came
them.
and, yeah, they came and they did that.
Yeah, their parts. It was fun. Like when we did some fun promo shoot also and like promo and stuff. It was pretty fun like to do that whole thing together. And we're doing that again, by the way, 13th of April. We're doing something similar like that.
In Bombay?
Yeah. So yeah, excited for
That'll
that.
be cool, bro. Because I remember when we were at another stage and then you were coming towards your stage and you can just feel the energy, bro, over there. And I felt like that was the best produced set from Lola, at least for that day.
Thank you so much.
Like
that means a lot.
everything when we came there also, it was just so high, such high production, bro. And you could just see all the artists coming, everyone is having fun. And like see them what suddenly have jumped up.
There's a video of me and Yugo running.
Yeah, they both were running.
Lineup पे नहीं है वो.
Crazy.
Who? I mean, this is a difficult question to answer, but like, do you have artists that you really enjoy collaborating with, like from the people that you've collaborated with?
The thing is, while collaborating now, for me, it's always like being able to cater to what they are looking for in a way. So like it's not about me trying to force my beats. Like I'm telling you till now, all the songs which has come out, most of them like almost all of them are like made with artists in the studio or like made specifically for them. It's not like beat packs or anything. Like I don't believe in that beat pack system much. I like to sit with the artists and work with that. That's because I have access right now, so I can do that.
Yeah.
But before that, I would also make beats and send it to some artist specifically. But like I'll make that ki this is what I have in mind that might excite you.
Type beat. I mean, essentially,
but
that's
yeah,
like,
but not really type beat. I'm not trying to make like Travis Scott type beat बना के नहीं भेज रहा मैं किसी को, but I'm making their type beat. So that's the thing. So but I enjoy in the studio honestly while working with Divine and all. Like Divine के साथ the studio experience is something else, bro. Like he is as much of a producer as much as a rapper, but it's just that वो mouse पकड़ के नहीं करेंगे, but he knows what he wants, and he can explain it to you in the best way possible. As a producer, it makes your life easier if the artist knows what he wants, and if he is able to tell you that in the easiest and the simplest way possible, it makes. But you also need to have that equation with him. So that way, like working with Divine was fun. Seedhe Maut ke saath, only one time we worked in the studio was during the Bhussi track with Kashmir. So that was fun. But most of the beat was done. So aisa, Kam himself is a great producer. So it's a really cool like to put it together. Like when working with artists who have an idea about the production, it's so much fun. But specific, I wouldn't really have.
I just wanted to put you on this spot.
Spoilers relations.
ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
The thing is, Karan has worked with like so many artists, bro. Like there's.
किसने बनाया?
Yeah, exactly, bro. Literally every beat we hear nowadays is produced by him.
Bro, no, I wish, I hope Touchwood ऐसा होते रहे.
Yeah.
नहीं, अभी तो अच्छा चल रहा है.
No, it's only upwards from here.
Studio में क्या like what is the vibe like? Are you guys like focused or मस्ती भी होती है? Like you guys fuck around.
Like the thing is कि if I'm working with an artist for the first time, so it will be very serious starting with थोड़ा. And then once we are at that point, उसके बाद चालू जाता है. हाँ, खुल जाता है ना, जब artist भी खुल जाता है. And then once they are in their full explicit mode na, then फिर मजा आता है. But artists will always come with like a very hard cover in front of them.
Right.
Like if you're also producers who are watching and you're going into a session, it will always be that you have to be that guy who will make it
break the ice and
आराम से. Like don't force them also to like hype होके जाके मतलब नहीं. You have to take it in a slow pace and everything. and see when the time is right. And also like many times in my session I know exactly अगर किधर saturation point आ रहा है ना तो I know कि मतलब ठीक है session रोका YouTube पे जाके कुछ फालतूगिरी लगा दिया और सबका mind थोड़ा lose fresh कर दिया. That this is like this I do with Ritviz a lot. Like Ritviz और मैं गाना बनाते रहेंगे and I know like at a point where we both are reaching a point, then I'll suddenly switch over to an old ghazal or anything and we're talking about that artist and like how they would have made the music. So वो सब चीज़ें is very important in a session while you're working ना. It's not just about like making it the beat and giving it to them. That's why I always say that there are so many producers who are better than me, but like to be able to understand what the artist is looking for is a different skill, and I've been focusing on that mainly recently. So I like to be that guy who can like understand what they're looking for and make it tangible in a way sonically.
Right. Also, with all this is true with everything, that you just want to be working with people that you like having around.
Yeah, that's true, 100%.
Yeah.
Unless you're like top of the top, then you're like, okay, he might be an asshole, but his work is just too good. So like, I'll deal with this, but I'm getting good work. But like, if it's not that, in most cases, like, you want to just be around people who are fun, who you can be comfortable with, talk shit.
Yeah.
Otherwise, then
bro, I'm telling you, like in the studio, na, the artists are like, वो एक atmosphere होता है. If just me and the artist, na, they'll just like एक point आता है where we just like talk about stuff like general life related stuff also कि भाई ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, and that puts you in a very comfortable spot. That's like a therapy session itself. Like, while you're in the studio ना, like you just went out, like इसके साथ ये चल रहा है यार, ये deal में मेरा ये फंस गया या ये हो गया. Everyone is just talking out and they feel comfortable and you have to be available for the other person also. And the main part again, like of while working on a song ना, वो कि ego भाई बाहर फेंक के आओ, वो बहुत important है. Like as Pharrell said, like put your ego hat at the door.
With most creative things that you do, which are collaborative, you need to keep your ego aside because you need to know that we're both working on the same thing.
Same things towards
so the same. Even if you give me 9 ideas and I only give you one of my ideas, as long as the final
product is good, it is worth it.
Because I was here and I could have chosen to ignore your ideas, but knowing that your idea is better. So then मेरा ही काम खराब हो रहा है ना. So that is like
that understanding is very essential.
It's not about the contribution and collaboration. It's about like what's the end product.
Exactly. You got to understand that the end goal is what matters the most.
But वो थोड़ा time के बाद आता है, bro. Like when you're secure enough. Because when you're just new and you're a bit insecure, you're trying to prove yourself.
Yes, that happens for sure. I've gone through that, so I know. But that's what I'm saying. Like the biggest part of like collaboration is like giving away control. Like when you come to the room, you should be like, हाँ ठीक है, अभी ये हम लोग साथ में कर रहे हैं, तो I'm gonna give away control. Let's see.
But what if you know their idea isn't as good as yours?
So I know that happens also. So what I do is like जो उनका idea है ना, वो करके उनको सुनाता हूँ. पूरा करूँगा, extra काम I'll do. I'll play to them. And then
you won't disregard their opinion.
And there are right ways to. There are the ways to like express that. No, not show. Then you can put a thought in person. वो इतना सही नहीं लग रहा है ना वैसे. अरे ये हाँ वो क्लब वाले लोग को तो पसंद नहीं आएगा. There's a way to tell you. Like it's basically what the artist wants to hear and what you want to say. You have to like
find a middle ground.
Yeah, you have to hide it behind what you want, what they want to hear.
Right.
So it's a skill in part of like production for other people. So.
Have you ever produced a diss track? Like this just came to my head. Never.
No.
Would you ever?
Yeah, I think so.
यशराज के लिए
We're gonna produce one together.
ये दोनों का करेगा, bro.
Yeah, he'll produce both sides. Both will be prod by Karan Kanchar. Then I'm fucked over there, bro, because Yashraj is already a rapper.
No, I'm wondering people who produce like they produce a diss track, do they think by like इस पे ये सब बातें करने वाला? I don't know if I want to like be associated.
It depends, bro. It depends honestly. Yeah. Like diss bars तो हो जाते कोई ना कोई गाने में कैसे ना कैसे तो हो ही जाता रहेगा किधर ना किधर. But like
every rap song is a diss track in
some sense.
Dissing somebody.
General public mostly. Like I'm better than you, better than who? I don't know.
But I wouldn't like. It's kind of like very tricky space to be in, but as a producer now, then that's 100% that you're not gonna work with that other artist for sure.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get.
It's like burning that bridge for sure. Has someone come to you saying कि मेरे को distract बनाना है? नहीं.
I don't think it's like beefs are not that big in India yet.
Bro, have you missed the last 3-4 years?
It's not that big.
It is, bro.
Yeah, but I think, but then it's the song is only dedicated to one person.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, and it's on the stage also when performing, you can only think about like it's not a song that people will.
It's
own
like a
it,
love song, bro. If you think of it, because they're only writing it for one person.
I'm so
only one
obsessed with
person
this guy.
is. Yeah, I'm so
guy,
obsessed with him that I'm writing a song for him.
them, yeah.
But ऐसा भी होता होगा कि you are making a beat and then the rappers like maybe they say something in the song and you're like ये कैसा बोल दिया भाई, like I don't know, मेरे beat पे ऐसे बातें कैसे कर रहा है.
So that's the thing. You have to be very clear. Like जब अभी अपना if you're assigned as a if they've called you to as and they're hiring you to do something ना, then it doesn't become तेरा beat. It's like their beat. So वैसा scene है. तो the way you look at it is very important. अभी अगर मैं collaborate कर रहा हूँ, if it's like a like जैसे Ritviz और मेरा गाना था, Ritviz X Karan Kanchan is a song together. So उसमें I can have a say.
Yeah.
मतलब maybe we can change this part or जो भी है. But if I'm being hired to like make a beat for someone, then it's like मैं कर लो तुमको जो करना है ऐसा scene. But if they want my input, I definitely give it. ऐसा scene है.
Nice. But so you can like थोड़ा detach yourself from the this, like अभी
करना पड़ता है.
like let's say if you're making a Bollywood song
Yeah.
and the lyrics are a bit like poppy, like mainstream.
Bollywood
like,
में तो वैसे भी like you don't get the main credits anyways. If
Yeah,
I'm working as a producer, if I'm working as a producer, my just work is just like वो composition किसी और का, I just have to make it like मतलब उसको mold करना है basically. That's all. So उसमें तो I have 0% say in anything. Because बड़े दादा लोग हैं भाई, उन लोग को आता है ये सब काम, हम लोग सब प्रोड्यूस करें. They will know that I can achieve this sound for them. So that's why I've been hired for that project. वैसा सीन है. If I'm doing a Bollywood song, like if it's a Karan Kanchan इश्क नचावे जैसा हुआ, तो उसमें I have a full say कि मतलब no, this should go like this or this should go like that.
Yeah. Congrats on that, by the way. Bro.
Yeah.
Like, so
इश्क नचावे that.
it all worked out. Good film. good song.
Yeah.
Like everything just came
Very
together.
rare, bro. Out of sab kuch, like everything that goes so well, like in that movie.
Yeah.
Like we honestly, me, Yashra and Rashmi didn't have big expectation with that song, because it was placed in a very confusing moment in the film, right? Like it was a very intense moment, and then there's like music which is totally contrasting it.
Yeah.
But it really worked out. So the director's Arjun's vision was perfect, and Ankur Tiwari also guided us really well with the entire thing. So like cheers to those guys like who made it possible. But like while we were making song, we didn't know the scale how it would reach, and like it was on Viral 50 Global also. So that was crazy. It was
No, it all did well, and that moment in the film, it was like a turning moment for the film. So it was like a very important
piece.
Arc type वाला situation हो गया था वहाँ पे.
I know. I remember speaking to the people who worked on the film. They were like उन लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा reference ऐसा time beat music पे shoot किया था, and they were like they don't know how can they top it or anything. But they luckily the song really fitted it, and they liked it, like they loved it. So मजा आया. Like I'm glad it worked out.
Yeah. Do you enjoy like producing for making a song for movies or a show or a movie, because you know like you're building it around something instead of just starting from scratch?
Yeah, it definitely helps actually. So most of the client and brand work also, they always come with a brief, and for me it's always exciting to like get the brief right. And like I want to get the brief right in the least changes possible. So that's some like sort of a challenge I give it to myself. कि मतलब आया तो let me try to lock it in the first brief itself. So I like it because you have a context like set कि मतलब this is what they're looking for. They know what they're looking for. But what becomes exciting is like when they give you full freedom also. So then it can be anything. Like when Bazigar came, when we did Bazigar, it was like I just they just sent me a list of songs which is clearable for sampling. ऐसा कुछ तो बोला नहीं था कि ये गाना है. तो I went through like 1,000 songs, and उसमें से मतलब Bazigar, oh fuck, of course this should to work. So I just made a beat, and I couldn't think of anyone else than Divine to send it to them. So I was like, bro, this is it. ये बना है. And he was like, okay, ठीक है. He loved the beat, and he's like पहले देखते कि ये क्लियर होता है क्या, तो ही फिर काम करेंगे, वरना ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है कि हम लोग ने बहुत कुछ बनाया sample based चीज़ें, and then the sample wouldn't clear, and then your song is just gone. So that's why it took a while. 2 years it took to clear Bazigar.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So it was just sitting there.
Yeah, it was ready 2 years पहले, the hook and everything, no? But final touches and everything happened later on once we had the clearance.
Do you have many songs like that are just sitting which are sampled but you can't? डाल दे bro SoundCloud पे. I'd actually found your...
तेरे को बजाना है क्या?
Yeah, bro, I
सारे
found...
तो बजा रहे हैं इसके गाने तो.
Actually, my whole set is like a Karan Kanchan thing. Because I'd gone down a rabbit hole on his SoundCloud, bro. And I was just like, this guy just produces music. I think he doesn't sleep, bro. There's so much music on that if you go down.
Sound.
On your SoundCloud, bro. I think
He
your
only does
Saturday
that.
session. What is
Oh,
it?
Saturday sample.
Saturday sample. Yeah.
That was during COVID. I did one.
That also, I was like, bro, this is crazy. Do you remember once at one of the sound checks I was playing with Dave, and it starts off, I don't even remember, I think it's some R.D. Burman song and Cardi B or
Cardi B
something like
sample.
that, bro. And
Yeah.
everyone's looking at me like, what the fuck? It's like, wait, trust the process.
Para.
Yeah.
I was stalking someone's.
Yeah,
SoundCloud
SoundCloud is like crazy.
The next level, huh? For your was research or what for this episode?
Yeah. No, but this is like,
Dude, I have a question for you. Like, this is the most important thing I wanted to ask you. What does the Karan Kanchan hair care routine look like? Like, what do you do, man? Because those hair...
you pulled it out of nowhere.
He's been sitting next to
He's been waiting.
I've been looking at your hair for a while. Like,
But
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
I think it's their hostel only, bro. Even if you see his roommate also.
yeah. So hostel का पानी इतना खराब था ना, so our hair become stronger after that. So I think so it's the hostel water. But no, but seriously, I'll just go for a hair spa once in like 2 months, or maybe before any big event. And that's all. And साबुन shampoo जो भी like घर पे है वो use करता हूँ.
But time लगता होगा ना?
Hair spa को time लगता है.
No, even when you're taking like a shower.
No, ऐसा उतना ज़्यादा time नहीं. आदत हो गया अभी तो. But yeah, whenever I take a shower, I take a hair bath. So.
Or when did you like
that's
cut
every
it
day
last?
basically. Huh?
For how long have you been growing it out?
I guess since 2019. 2019. 20.
oh, that's...
Fuck, that's very like.
But it's 5 years now, almost.
Bro, but that's very fast growth also. Like.
I mean, नीचे से थोड़ा chop करना पड़ता रहता ताकि वो grow अच्छे से हो. But yeah, that's it. You cut your hair, no?
What? I cut it very often.
Oh, here none of us. I don't think any of our hair will grow to this.
I
that
grew it
long.
till like here once. I was like, fuck this, bro. नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से.
So much maintenance,
I
bro.
got
and you-
taller, bro, so it looks nice.
हाँ.
Yeah, it looks
Honestly,
cool
I
on you.
did only this for headbanging basically, and it's easier to like stand out by in the crowd like that
Yeah.
guy with the long hair. Let me see if I can find a photo of without the long hair.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember that's how even I had recognized him.
When you're short and
When
you
you're-
have long hair, you look even shorter.
Yeah. You
That's
look
the
like a
problem.
That's how I
Yeah.
should look.
Oh, damn, bro.
Hey, bro.
This.
That's not
So,
you.
that's me, bro.
Come
ये
on.
Karan Kanchan beat पे नहीं. Oh shit.
Sure.
Are you gonna cut it ever? You think or?
Probably once I have it till here, maybe I'll cut it from halfway. But I definitely want to give it away to the cancer relief thing. Well, I lost one of my uncle to like cancer, so
Okay.
that's I'm gonna do for sure one day. Once
Yeah.
it is enough, then I'll have to cut from here and then I can give it away.
Mm.
So that
Nice.
it's going down.
On its own?
On its own,
Yeah.
What the fuck? This is.
Karan Kanchan is vanished.
Karan Kanchan seat pe.
One of the chairs is fucked, so I think you're sitting on.
Let's sit. Let's see if it goes down again.
No.
Okay, let's go.
No, it was a one-off.
Looks like he's going.
Yeah, he's like, I'm going. So you can exit from the stage, bro.
Yeah.
So we can think
It's a
of.
good production.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh.
What kind of a? Okay.
No, I was like, do you like traveling, bro? Because I think we've seen you.
Yeah,
Like-
solo travel and all I really like. Last year only I actually did my first solo, not solo as such, but when Wireless Festival was happening in Abu
Yeah.
Dhabi, I went for that and then I stayed back for a few days
Mm.
and I was just traveling alone, bro. I was just having my time and I really enjoyed it. Then I went to Thailand for this other festival, Rolling Loud Festival.
Rolling Loud, yeah.
There also I was like extra days I was just traveling alone and then I was like I wanted to take the trip of my life which I was been waiting for Japan for which I've been manifesting for 7 years. That I was like when I'm going there I'm gonna go for a long time. So I booked a 1 month trip there.
Oh wow.
And वहाँ पे तो full solo travel था. Like I didn't have any friends or anything ऐसा. मतलब I had friends there, but no Indian guy with me.
You have Japanese friends.
Yeah, I've had for the longest time.
He used to
That's
make
cool,
jade,
bro.
bro.
Yeah, I know. I remember.
Bro, was that like a month in Japan?
Yeah, bro, that was one of the
What
best
was that
times.
experience like,
Yeah.
bro? Like Japan महंगा है ना बहुत.
मतलब Yes and no, bro. मतलब if you can stay थोड़ा decently ना सब like lavishness जीना है ना तो फिर तो कर सकता है. Like train में घूमने वाले को problem नहीं है. Taxi में जाएगा तो लग गए थे. Taxi में
उधर का train देखना तो.
That's probably the best in the world, right?
I'm telling you, मैं literally मैं घर पे बैठता हूँ ना वहाँ पे यामानोते लाइन का sound effects है मैं वो चला के बैठता हूँ. इतना peaceful है ना. इतना मजा आ रहा है. It's like it's really people you'll fall asleep in the trains, bro. इतना शांत है. The whole white noise and the melodies. Every station has a melody, by the way.
Damn.
वहाँ पे. हाँ, for them.
You produced them.
No.
Soon, bro. In the next 5 years.
But यहाँ पे
goal.
So Bombay Metro में you can have.
Yeah, I want to do that. If Bombay Metro, you're
Yeah.
Actually, you should
Welcome
pitch, bro.
to
That
Dharavi.
would be,
The boom.
Boom. Start.
Yeah, कुछ तो ऐसा
underground hip hop.
हार्ट बीट रहेगा उधर.
Code Mumbai 17 अपना चलता हुआ है. Code Mumbai 17. But yeah, that's something I would love to do, honestly. But हाँ वहाँ पे Japan experience was something else, bro. Like
So which all cities did you visit?
Tokyo. So I went to Tokyo first 5 days, and then I went to Kyoto, Nara, Osaka, Hiroshima, and then back in Tokyo for 15 days. So overall 32 days we were there. So most of the time I spent in Tokyo, but the most peaceful place was Kyoto, bro. It's too beautiful, like too peaceful, too calm, and yeah, I was just क्योटो तक मेरा एक दोस्त भी था मेरे साथ. उसके बाद नारा आई लेफ्ट ऑफ अलोन. एंड ब्रो क्या एक्सपीरियंस होता है ब्रो. लाइक वहाँ पे गया ना, लाइक आई वाज लाइक रात को मैं साइकिल मतलब चला रहा था स्टेशन में पार्क किया, साइकिल लेके आ रहा था. वो जापानीज पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया मेरे को. एंड आई वाज लाइक मेरे को तो जापानीज आता नहीं है. लाइक तो देयर लाइक तुम लोगं को इंग्लिश नहीं आता है. सो लाइक पेट्रोलिंग बोला ओके एकदम फुल कोची कामे टाइप आया हम लोग.
कोची कामे.
तो वो साइकिल so they have registration for the cycles also. So that guy is checking the registration. बोला it's not my cycle, वो होटल के नाम पे registered है. I told them all that okay, and then he was like show me your passport. And someone told me you don't really need to carry a passport, a copy of it is fine. So I showed them the copy. So like, okay, you're from Mumbai. No, you're from India. Bola, yes. From Delhi? Bolta, no, Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. Then he checked, he was like, I wanted to check my, सब किया, check किया, कुछ मिला नहीं, कुछ था ही नहीं. मैं literally घूम रहा था, स्टेशन से वापस आ रहा था. And then थैली था एक साइकिल में. तो उसमें बेसिकली प्लास्टिक बॉटल था. कैन आई चेक दिस? बोला हाँ करो. तो दे चेक इट, वो प्लास्टिक बॉटल. तो बोला मतलब there's no डस्टबिन ना, तो घर पे फेंकना. उधर डस्टबिन नहीं है बाहर जापान में. यू हैव टू लाइक फाइंड इट एट स्पॉट्स. तो यू हैव टू कैरी अ थैली, so you can put your stuff on that. So he's like good citizen. So फिर उसने बोला, मैं बोला कि मैं खाना ढूंढ रहा था. I asked him like I'm trying to find food and I don't eat pork and beef ना, so it's difficult to find only chicken. So he suggested me one place. तो मैं उधर गया, उधर भी नहीं था. So then I was like again roaming around, and then I found these guys again, and they were like checking on some other Japanese dude at that time. सब पेट्रोलिंग चालू था. तो मैं बोला कैसे चल यार. It was a very randomest experience I've had, like being caught by Japanese police. Yeah.
Well, that's why you travel alone, na? Because you have experiences like that and you see. Like,
it's too good, yeah, bro. I think so. Like if you guys have done a boys trip,
No.
Bro, please do.
To Japan?
Like, किधर भी जाओ, but go together, and it's like this is the age, bro. बाद में.
Yeah. I remember I met you after you came back from Japan, and I asked you about it, and you were like, bro, like you were still in that.
Yeah,
You were like, bro, I'm trying to plan my next trip, and I want to go and stay for longer.
Yeah,
like
wow.
you were to saying I want to stay there for a few months every year.
Yeah. That, bro, once you go there, you'll also feel the same. I think so.
Yeah.
But what is the life like there? Like, what did you end up doing, like day-to-day wise?
So I had a lot of people to meet, and a lot of places to visit also. Like all the places which is saved on my reels. There's literally one Japan, and there's one Japan 2 save favorites I have. So Japan 2 is for when I go next time.
Damn.
So Japan 1 का सारे reels इधर भी जाना है सब. I was figuring out, and bro तू उठ के किधर भी चले जा, तू चलते जा किधर भी, and it will be like mesmerized, like कहाँ आ गया, and just take the train and randomly go some random station, उधर उतर जा, local घूम, बहुत कुछ है करने को. But so all the major like जो popular places I visited them, of course.
Did you go to that Pig Cafe?
I did the mini pig cafe. Yeah, it was too good.
What is that?
Apparently you have to book it like a month or so in advance.
No, I got it that day.
You got it that day?
I had a friend who she works in Japan only, so she was like, yeah, we'll try to figure out. And
They just have pigs, bro, in a cafe.
Yeah, I would have thought that when I heard Pig
So you
Cafe.
can go pet them and
There's a
all.
capybara cafe. There's a cat cafe. A lot of.
Oh shit, the capybara
Yeah,
cafe
I wanted
also.
to go for that one, but I couldn't get.
So do you eat them also after
No,
or
no,
like
It's just like
pet
they're
them and
chilling.
That's in China.
I want this one.
They're just chilling.
ये वाला पसंद है हमें.
There is a place. There's a sushi place in Japan where you can like fish the fishes and then make the sushi out of it for you. Yeah.
Like in a pond.
Catch the
Yeah.
fish and then
Yes,
like make a
yes.
sushi out of it.
Yes. Fresh.
Fresh,
Kinda
yeah, that is
cool.
fresh.
How I think there, like you said, if you don't need to be doing things to like enjoy because everything is so new. Well, like उधर का road कैसा है?
Bro.
Yeah.
और ये कैसा है? वो
Just
कैसा है?
the
एक
infrastructure,
गली में,
right?
एक गली में
Yeah.
भी जाएगा ना तो there are 300 different things you can do there. यहाँ पे खार जाना पड़ेगा 2 क्लब है वो भी गिन के जाने के लिए तो वो मतलब there's infrastructure for all of
Yeah.
that over there. And मतलब I cannot even think about it. There's so many things. There's like a vinyl record store. There's a full building where there's just
Wow.
vinyls. And there's a place where you can there's bowling alleys वहाँ पे एक फ्लोर में 3 मतलब एक बिल्डिंग में 4 माले का सिर्फ bowling alley है बोला भाई किधर आ गया वो क्या इधर आके ना मैं और आनंद like I used to video call Anand every day so again we are going down
No, swap the chair. ना, प्रशांत.
प्रशांत दूसरा चेयर लेके आना बाहर से.
There is one outside.
Yeah, man, Japan तो like even I want to go. I've always talked about it. क्या? Same ही होगा ना
सही
भाई?
है भाई.
Yeah. Like,
You were talking about Japan.
yeah, like I want to go. Like, I've seen videos of the like karaoke bars.
yeah bro that's amazing bro
Where it's just like you feel like I watch the videos and I feel happy. So
Yeah,
I
bro.
can't imagine being there.
Yeah.
so you go there it's something else bro and I got a chance to attend some shows also I got a chance to meet the artists I used to listen to so the guy the shamisen player who was in India who was staying at my place who was my friend when he came to India he was staying at my place so when I went to Japan he was helping me around and he knew that this one artist I'm a big fan of Yuko from Bagaki band he and her planned a surprise for me and he was like I'm gonna take you to meet this Koto player I was like okay in Kyoto he was like we went to this temple and then he was like come we have to go to meet this guy I'm like who's this guy I don't even know he was like he's some Koto player he wants to meet you आधा घंटा साइकिल चला के गया हम लोग उधर हमारा हालत फुल पसीना पसीना हो गया उधर और फिर वी आर वेटिंग एट द होटल लॉबी एंड देन द सिंगर ऑफ दिस बैंड वगाकी बैंड शी वॉक्स आउट एंड आई एम लाइक हैंग हो गया मैं बोला क्या हो रहा है So imagine like it's like you're going to America and you're a fan of Kendrick Lamar and you listen to it and you're going and getting to meet him. It's almost that level for me. So and nothing was planned and this was just too out of the like blue. Like क्या हो रहा है ऐसा हो गया and then that moment was too special. Then she signed me a hand fan. And then she had her birthday show, which was sold out, like a private, like limited
Small
people
gig,
show.
yeah.
She made a space for me. Like she was like, "We'll accommodate you. Please come." I was like, "Wow!" I got to see her live also, and then I got to meet her again on that day on her birthday also. And then she gave me a big poster that's on my wall now in my studio. And now we are in touch also. Like we're trying to figure out if we can work together. She's like interested in working together. So I'm like, wow. What's happening?
Productive trip, bro.
Very productive, bro. Then I also got a chance to meet Yoasobi. Yoasobi, you guys know? You might have heard their music. There's like equivalent of Arijit Singh in Japan.
Okay.
But very electronic. Yeah. So the dopest people, like dopest artists in Japan, like biggest artists. Idol गाना सुना होगा तुम लोगों ने शायद, but तुम लोगों को पता नहीं याद
Reels में बजता है क्या?
हाँ. It's a proper, like really cool group. And
I
got
just
to
know Stay With Me. Stay With Me.
Yeah. You listen to pop, city pop?
No, I've just heard that song. I like that one song.
Bro, I'll send you a full city pop playlist I have. I love that song also. I did try singing that in karaoke over there.
What, in Japanese?
थोड़ा बहुत.
Do you speak?
Oh, let's go.
Oh, I've heard this song. The minute he sang it, I understood. You sang, I didn't understand.
मैं hook बोल गया भाई.
But yeah, I can speak a little bit of Japanese. Like
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Zaimasu.
Have you learned it from like
I
watching
did.
a lot of
I took
anime?
I don't watch anime much. I got introduced to Japanese culture because of Japanese music mainly.
Okay.
So it's not like with anime. थोड़ा एक दो देखता हूँ. There's one anime called Azumanga Daioh. If you guys like, it's like a proper time pass anime, like fun. And then there's one called Nichijou. Is the only two animes which I've watched. But what were we talking about?
Your introduction to like
Yeah, the artist.
Japanese-
Yeah, so I got to see Yoasobi live, and it was like through some guest list, right? And यहाँ पे कैसा होता है guest list? कि भाई गेस्ट लिस्ट आते हो जनरल एरिया के बाजू में कुछ VIP का रहेगा तो बैक स्टेज रहेगा. So these guys took me guest list बोला ऊपर लेके गए और this like was a arena, it's like a stadium arena kind of thing. And वहाँ पे there's like a full जैसे क्रिकेट में हो रहा था ना rooms रहते हैं ऊपर.
Yeah.
Pavilion
Box.
that box, yeah.
VIP box.
It was a
type.
box, and then that the person she was taking me, she was like, "You might be used to the guest list and all." No? Bola, I am, but not this infrastructure, bro. What is this infrastructure? And जब मैं बैठा हूँ वहाँ पे, and then she comes again and she says कि there's a band from America who will be joining us also. I hope that you have no issues. बोला भाई मैं free में आया हूँ, मेरे को कोई problem नहीं है. And then Polyphia walks in.
Oh wow.
And I'm watching the show with Polyphia next to me.
That's
बोला
crazy.
bro, what's happening, bro? Man, then I'm like, अरे तुम लोगों को पुणे में देखा था मैंने.
Yeah, like they come for Supersonic.
No. So at the same time, and Troy Boy was there.
Yeah.
So that was so fucking crazy, bro. To like then I met them, and then यहाँ पे कैसा होता है कि if you after a show you want to meet the artist, you go backstage and you wait na for them to get free. If you're the guest in a show like this,
They come to you.
they come to meet you.
That's
And
crazy, bro.
and I was not aware. Again, I
Yeah.
was not aware they are gonna come inside the room. मैं
Yeah.
देख रहा हूँ इन लोग बाजू में खड़े हैं मेरे वाला.
It's like I'm just out here now.
क्या हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ?
So these were like two top artists, Wagaki band and Yoasobi. And there was one more artist, band called Baby Metal, if you have heard of. I'm not sure. It's like three cute girls singing metal music, but in cute voices. But the music is full metal.
It's heavy metal.
Yeah, it's a very contrasting thing, right?
Yeah.
And I got to meet their producer, Koba Metal, on the last day of my trip. And I was like, wow. अभी क्या ही हो सकता है इससे ज्यादा, वो अभी ऐसा हो गया था.
Yeah, no wonder you want to go back and like stay there.
You want to
for-
stay there for
Treated
longer.
well.
Yeah.
Well, the people are hospitable, it seems like, from what.
It's a tricky thing because it's very like there's this term called tattemai over there, which is like they hide their true feelings just to look good,
Please you.
Okay.
please you, and sometimes it's you can make out,
Yeah.
but most of them they don't do that. But like most of them are really actually, but sometimes you'll figure out कि okay हाँ भाई बस दिखाने के लिए. यहाँ पे like if you in India if you have a guest over, you would actually go out of your way to do a lot of stuff, right? वहाँ पे it might be limited, but because they are very self-centered also in a way because they don't really care ऐसा ज़्यादा, but they will try to take care of you जितना हो सकता है उनसे. Like there will be like random act of kindness and all that happens. Like if you ask someone कि मतलब how do I go to this platform, they will take you till that platform. वैसा भी होता है. And वो भी मतलब there are all kinds of people there, but more luckily I got to meet the nicest
Nicer
people.
kind.
Yeah, people I knew also पहले से.
Here it's different. Here either people are too nice or they just don't give a fuck at all.
Or they'll fuck with you.
Yeah.
Like they'll just कुछ भी
It's
बोल
like
देंगे.
Delhi, bro. I just love Delhi. They're all so rude over there for no reason. Like you ask them one straight question, they'll give you some ulta answer. Like they'll trick you only with your
You
own
end up
question.
more confused at the beginning. What is your favorite city in India to play
Performing.
or just to travel? Or could be Bombay also.
Yeah, Mumbai for sure. I
Mumbai?
think so. Yeah, because but recently one of the best shows I had was in Nagpur, bro. That was a really crazy experience. Dabo, like the kind of production they have and everything, it was too good. Other than that, Mumbai तो of course, yeah. But Mumbai में उतना ज़्यादा अभी shows नहीं होता है actually देखना है तो technically ऐसा as much जैसे पहले होता था. तो it's kind of dead थोड़ा scene अभी Mumbai का.
Unless you do your own.
Yeah, that's what. That's why we do Necrex specifically in February and September. The New Year thing.
Yeah, we were there for the last one.
The New Year one?
No,
Not
the
the New Year. So
February
the
one.
anniversary thing, sorry. Not the New Year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 year anniversary.
Yeah. No, 5, 10.
Sorry.
That's the
Yeah. The Pune one was apparently crazy.
The last one,
Like
the
the one that
February
I
one,
just
bro.
did and what?
Too good, bro. Like वहाँ पे झगड़े हो गए
Yeah.
बाहर, ऐसा सब सीन हो गया था. Apparently सब club बंद हो गया था जल्दी, and this was the only club that was open. So everyone was here.
Came in there.
Right.
Yeah, and DJ Sa, Kayan, everyone was on the lineup. So it was a scene, proper scene.
Yeah.
There was fights and all that happened outside.
Arre,
apparently.
always, bro. Have you ever had fights happen during your set? Like,
No, luckily no.
you've never seen in the crowd. Like, कुछ तो हो रहा है.
No.
But Necrex seems like a place where fights would.
No, that's
No,
the
it's
thing.
it's always the opposite.
It's
bro.
controlled chaos.
Yeah, it's very
It's
controlled.
always-
And everyone knows each other. ऐसा scene.
Yeah.
It's a
that
community.
is true. That is
So
true.
nobody messes around. ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ तो भाई निकाल देते सीधा बाहर ऐसा.
And you come with that mindset of like headbanging and you come with that violent mindset, you're not going to remove it on someone else.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're
Only on
all
the barricade.
brothers
Yeah.
in the same this thing, bro.
Yeah,
they
we're in
remove
this
it on the
together.
barricade.
Yeah.
together. Like, they break the barricade and like kick it. ऐसा सब करते हैं, वो सब करते हैं हम लोग.
दूसरे shows में तो हो रहा है भाई झगड़ा.
हाँ, I mean,
हम देख रहे हैं भाई.
वो तो
Yeah.
Mosh pit के
You have to
नाम
be
पे.
very careful. Like, so I'm telling you, man, Necrec में ना बहुत cute mosh pits होता है.
Yeah.
I'd say it's not like a mosh pit. What a real mosh pit is, तो is like थोड़ा थोड़ी होता है. But they also have a very
मारपीट है वो.
controlled रहता है. मतलब वो भी है. Like हम लोग इसमें तो बहुत मस्त kawaii mosh pits होते हैं.
Yeah. No, we saw some clips. That's why I was saying.
I know.
You've also seen.
I've seen that.
See that?
But
Yeah,
that's just like, that's why, like, quite possibly they are not from the same culture, right? मतलब same scene वाले लोग हैं,
Yeah.
सब अलग अलग है, अलग अलग लोग आके. So if you need to be a part of, if you're getting into that, you should be aware of
Yeah.
it, people around you ऐसा.
नहीं हम भी घुसते हैं कभी कभी
हाँ.
mosh pit पे, but it's
So
like
very, yeah, you look after everyone ना, कोई गिरा तो उठा दो भाई, ऐसा
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर
हाँ,
चढ़
you
जाओ.
You don't like kick him
you
when
don't
he's
know if the
down.
others are also like that
Yeah.
ना. कभी कभी लगता है भाई कोनी लगता है तो then you're like oh,
हाँ.
bad idea, maybe I should step out.
मैं तो
एक
पहले
तो-
सबसे पहले मैं स्टेज से निकलने से पहले फोन वॉलेट रख देता, फिर उतरता
And
हूँ
yeah,
mosh pit पे.
yeah. That's the only time you can go down.
Yeah. Are you saying something?
No, I'm saying I've gotten like a bunch of times where elbowed in the head, but I still go. It's still fun.
Yeah.
It's one of those things that you do.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy partying before you started DJing and like getting on stage, or you only like being on stage?
Only honestly, bro. I've never been to a party as such, honestly.
Mm.
I don't drink also, so there's no incentive for me to go out and party as such. But I only go to shows when if I'm playing or one of my friends are playing. So that's the only time I actually go out to venues or some very interesting artist is performing
Yeah.
and I want to check out. But I don't go about party as much. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं रहता. Just मैं stage पे वो Red Bull पीता हूँ, कभी पहले पीता था तभी. So like Red Bull पी के full like play the show and then that's
So you
all.
don't drink Red Bull?
Now recently थोड़ा अभी मतलब शुगर थोड़ा
अच्छा
ज़्यादा.
sugar.
You're taking care of
शुगर
yourself.
फ्री वाला पे. वो मेरे को भेजते नहीं लोग, शुगर फ्री नहीं भेजते, वो लोग रेड बुल ही भेजते. तो
Yeah, they send only with the normal Red Bull.
No.
We'll complain.
For sending us.
Ungrateful.
We're so ungrateful that they're sending us.
यार
this
ये-
food.
they तो gave me a fridge also.
They gave us
Why
fridge.
you want fridge also?
Damn it! Why have we not got the fridge?
Yeah. So like, do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer चाय.
Chai.
मतलब आज सुबह कॉफी पिया, लाइक व्हाटएवर, लाइक अगर मैं उठा और मेरे को कॉल है, अभी उठ के मेरे को एक कॉल अटेंड करना है ना, तो तब भी उतने टाइम में चाय कॉफ़ी जल्दी बनता है तो मम्मी कॉफ़ी देती है, वरना आई प्रेफर चाय.
Okay.
Chai is
Like,
कॉफ़ी
This is-
ऑल्सो आई लाइक दूध और शक्कर वाला कॉफ़ी,
हाँ.
नॉट लाइक ब्लैक कॉफ़ी.
nice. I think people who drink only black coffee are thoda. Like
Bro, it's a
slightly.
utility. It's a
It is,
utility
yeah.
drink. It's not like because I enjoy it.
it's meant to
You
get
know
you
it-
going, bro.
हाँ, but still you can
मेरे
have
को
it.
सुबह सुबह दूध नहीं पीना है bro.
क्यों भाई?
क्यों भाई? It's
दूध से क्या दिक्कत
weird.
है?
Are you weird drinking milk in
Bro,
the
you've
morning?
Are you
How
a
old-
grown
child?
up? Yeah. You've grown up drinking milk, dude.
No, and then,
Everyone has.
like if I want to do 2 coffees, I can't have 2 glasses of milk every day. You know what I'm saying? So just like it's better पानी के साथ. And you
And
should
black-
feel thoda na.
yeah.
It should feel
Yeah.
thoda like
It should
gross.
hurt a little, no? When it's going, like, need that.
That's what makes you.
मीठा मीठा पिएगा तो फिर
No, that's the thing. मेरे लिए सिर्फ शक्कर ही एक वो है,
Hmm.
बाकी तो कुछ इनटेक है नहीं, शुगर ही है सर.
That I've been trying to cut down. Like now I have a rule. I'll have 1 sweet thing every day.
हाँ.
So like then I'm very selective. So if I'm
Yeah.
drinking a can of Coke, then no more sugar. for the
This
rest
guy's
of
been
the day.
eating donuts for the past 3 days.
One donut every day.
Plus Coke.
and one coke with it.
No Coke. No Coke. अरे bro वो sugar से बहुत ये होता है. Like you can feel it physically. Like
Yeah, I know. But that's like I get sugar rush a lot sometimes. Like if I'm having मतलब आइसक्रीम खा के फुल तो मेरा दिमाग ऐसा हो जाता है फिर
Beat बना देता हूँ.
आँख
Crazy.
बड़ा हो जाता है.
He removes it on the
ice-cream
beat.
type beat.
आइसक्रीम टाइप भी.
I feel there's some beat on his head. Even when you say ice cream type beat, he'll know what to produce.
वो गाना है ना Ice Cream
Ice Cream Man. Tiger.
Borgor. No.
Tiger it is.
नहीं. There is some other one.
Oh, sorry. Check.
ठीक है.
Hello.
Borgor and all to make like some
Hmm?
dark music. Borgor.
हाँ.
That is how I discovered Jeezy.
Through Borgor.
Yeah.
That's like
Forbes was
reverse.
his-
Look,
Yeah.
mama, I mean,
And
before-
I listen to a lot of trap.
That was a Boombox Cartel remix of that song.
Yeah, there's a Boombox Cartel.
Too
remix.
hard.
Yeah.
Who are your like favorite EDM artists?
EDM artists. When I was like in that zone.
Who was your first
Introduction to, like-
and like Lucky Bhai.
Guetta, I think DJ.
David Guetta,
David
oh,
Guetta,
nice.
हाँ.
Avicii maybe. Avicii.
No, bro,
David
that
Guetta was
Avicii
like-
came in very
bro,
late.
David, he's to been before 2010, 2009.
Guetta used to play in gay bars,
that
bro.
time he was like number one DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
DJ Mag.
2011 and all.
हाँ.
Guetta used to play. He started off by playing in gay bars in Ibiza,
Oh.
and
yeah.
then he became a bigger DJ from there.
Wow.
DJ Guetta.
Guetta.
That's where it came from.
But Titanium, bro. After Titanium, all the
like,
songs,
wow.
bro. And even before that, all the crazy shit.
Yeah, memories.
He was like a proper pop
He was
Producer
used to work
and-
with
I played
these
that-
guys, bro. What's their name?
Afrojack.
Black Eyed Peas and
Oh,
all.
हाँ,
He used to
हाँ,
produce for
तभी
them.
Akon के साथ भी that
Yeah.
था.
उसके गाने, see, he's one of those producers whose music has aged well.
हाँ.
Like
Yeah.
the other night in Bangalore, I played that
Memories.
Memories.
Yeah.
I mixed it with Lat Lag
Yeah.
Gayi, and it goes so
It
well.
goes
bro.
it went,
Yeah,
it went
check
very
this.
hard, bro.
And
I
like,
gotta check this out.
Yeah.
You just gotta like swap bases and wow, bro, beautiful. It goes so well. I gave him a hug in the middle of the club. I was like, this is going too well.
yeah, but his other like producers, like a Martin Garrix
Yeah.
song right now, it won't. Like
Mm.
I can't play it at the club.
Yeah.
You won't
People
play
won't.
Animals, no?
I think that Big Room era was like too.
Actually, I think Animals is the only song
Song,
that
yeah.
might still work, like because of nostalgia.
Yeah.
But like if you play some of his other stuff, like it was
Virus.
good for that time.
Yeah, you.
You remember that song, the Epic जो गाना था ना वो?
कौन सा वाला?
Q से artist नाम Quintino. That was the
Quintino.
first big room track they
Yeah,
used to say,
yeah,
right? Fuck, that was the era, bro.
That was.
Quintino came to Supersonic this one year.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yes. Illenium came right now. आके गया पता भी नहीं
Millennium
चला.
came
bro.
for a like just a, and it was a single tour, but I was like, they should have got him on a lineup at least of some festival.
Yeah.
Oh, Illenium ने Supersonic बजाया था. I got a chance to meet him.
That was back
yeah,
then,
back
2020.
हाँ.
20 था?
20 tha. That was the last Supersonic
Yeah,
before
उसके
COVID.
COVID, yeah. And that time
Machine
I was
Gun
just,
Kelly and
Diplo
he
भी
were
आया
at the
था,
same time.
Diplo was
Diplo भी
also
आया था.
And तभी मेरे को मालूम है Diplo ऐसा मेरे सामने से चल के गया था वो चिल्लाने का मन कर रहा था बोला.
Yeah. I think then Diplo and Skrillex and all we discovered.
Jack U, bro. Jack U was a
Jack U.
blessing.
Yeah.
Jack
That
U
kinda
made
changed.
it, made like very mainstream music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When that album
for
came with
me-
Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because like for me, a friend told me to go and check out Deadmau5.
Hmm.
So I went and I'm listening. I'm like, bro, what is this trash? It's so slow
Yeah,
and all.
that's
Like
a
Tabi,
very
I was a
hard-
child.
yeah.
Tabi. So
That's
then,
a strong comment.
yeah,
तो
of course I
बच्चों
love
को-
him
तो
now.
बच्चे
But
बच्चे
I'm
को सुनाएगा
हाँ,
I
उसको
was
क्या
like,
समझ
what? I was like 11 at that point. I'm like, this is so slow and all. And then side pe there's a suggestion saying Skrillex. I'm like, let's see who this guy is. Click on it and bro, that changed my life.
Rock
man.
and roll.
Yeah.
Rock and roll.
I
Bro,
discovered
that's too
Skrillex
good,
from
bro.
VH1 actually.
हाँ.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
first time
Bangarang.
जब टू गया.
Bangarang के
का
पहले,
music video.
Scary
Oh,
Monsters and-
ये सब
Scary
TV पे
Monsters
आता
and
था,
Night
हाँ.
Sprites.
वो जब आया then at that point I was like it played on the TV and I was like I'm doing something wrong. Like this doesn't feel right. क्योंकि उसका music video some shark is
Yeah.
coming out and eating a kid and I was like भाई ये
Come into
I don't know
some-
if this is for me. Then later I figured कि ठीक है ये
Yeah.
सब भी है.
Bro, Skrillex was like
Skrillex is like defined a lot.
The fact that he got a Grammy for a remix which he did
Yeah.
on a blown out speaker, bro. Like crazy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Too good,
Yeah.
bro.
But all these people, bro, like even Nicky Romero,
Yeah.
all these, they were making music for so long for
Yeah.
other artists.
Yes.
Like Lady Gaga.
yeah.
All
I
the
guess
pop,
DJ Snake used to do that a lot. No? Lady
Yeah.
Gaga and look at Beyonce and all of that.
a lot of them used to make
produce.
pop tracks because there was a period of time where pop music was heavily electronic.
Yeah.
So like Kesha,
Yeah.
Yeah,
all of that
2010s,
is
early
just like
2010s.
EDM only, bro, with
Yeah.
like vocals on top.
Yeah.
I know.
TikTok and all.
Yeah, TikTok तो कभी भी बजता है.
Yeah. All those songs go too hard when you play it in the club.
Like
now.
G6, like
G6
G6.
तो
So,
that's Kashmir only.
Kashmir
Yeah,
में
that's
बनाया
Kashmir has
होगा.
produced it.
Yeah.
तो फिर ये सब होने के बाद then they started producing their own music. And
Yeah, I
the
think
genre
so.
took off.
Yeah, like EDM wise, I guess it was a more of like a act they're putting together to like, because there's a big market and also
Yeah.
there's so much you can do with touring and everything. And there's also like Kashmir used to write like produce for other artists also. जब वो सब था ना बॉर्गोर का नहीं था, किसका गाना था वो?
Borges.
Borges का ही था शायद. Incredible करके गाना था.
Borges.
Tsunami.
Yeah, Tsunami. Sorry.
Tsunami.
उसमें
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
Kashmir भी writer if you see on
The credits.
yeah.
Hmm.
So in looks up, I guess they were working as a team and like
Yeah.
even Major Lazer and all. They have a team of producer. Nitty Gritty
Yeah,
works
yeah.
for Diplo also. A lot
Mm.
of the songs. So उन लोग को I guess it's a very tour heavy kind
It
of thing.
is.
That's why they made these acts. That's why like DJs ने एक गाना डालता साल में फिर निकल जाता है tour पे भाई. Crazy.
That bro, the whole concept of Marshmello.
Bro.
Yeah, Marshmello is like a crazy concept.
Like that, he's not a artist, he's a concept.
Yeah, exactly.
मतलब he's a company.
हाँ.
उसका मैंने ये देखा है, YouTube डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखा है.
हाँ.
Who is
about
Marshmello?
about what
Yeah.
Marshmello was.
.com.
.com is
Bro,
Marshmello.
Marshmello is listed as a investment firm.
क्या बात कर रहा है? ये नहीं पता था मेरे को.
So it's a
That they did it later on, but
bro, but it's a project. Then they
हाँ.
figured that it's so massy
Yeah.
that we can use this brand for anything.
Yeah.
Like Marshmello cooking, Marshmello
Yeah.
this, Marshmello that, video
Really?
games,
Yeah.
ये वो.
Fortnite में भी आया ना.
Fortnite पे भी
हाँ,
he has
तो-
ना his that.
Him, the music could be produced by anyone.
Yeah.
The person who's performing also could be
Yeah,
anyone.
anyone.
Like it
Yeah.
doesn't matter who is behind the mask.
Shit, that is. But
Bro, so in the middle, like earlier, no one knew who he
Yeah.
is. There were only leaks of
हाँ,
who
correct.
he is. So that time, only the people who really followed it knew that it's this artist called .com.
Yeah.
So then later on, just as pranks, they'd be like, Marshmello is going to reveal himself today, and then like Shawn Mendes would come out,
Tiesto
Tiesto
ने भी किया
would
था.
come
Shah
out,
Rukh
Will
ने भी
Ferrell
किया है.
came out, bro.
Shah Rukh ने भी किया है.
Shah Rukh has also
Shah
done
Rukh
that.
ने-
Like
yeah.
it's,
the Indian music video.
so that's
Yeah.
when you realize, bro,
Pritam.
that anyone can be under that mask. Like
So
he
we-
can do one show today
Yeah.
in London and next show in fucking.
You know, someone did it in
Wow,
Thailand, someone else.
Yeah, someone else. I remember he was a full pale skin. It was too funny, bro. It was like
No,
a
so
good-
basically, someone else put up a mask and said Marshmello आ रहा है, and they sold tickets and all.
And they did the
yeah,
show.
club gig किया उन लोगों ने. You can just see his hands are Asian, bro.
Bro,
It was
because
too funny.
It's difficult to pull off the touring schedules that these people have. I think Steve Aoki did 1 year, which he did like 270
Yeah.
shows or something, and he got sick for like a year after that, where he couldn't tour. Like his body gave up.
Bro, I met this DJ in Japan who plays locally, ठीक है? He played, उसने मेरे को दिखाया, उसने कैलेंडर दिखाया. He played 426 shows in 1 year. I don't know how. एक दिन में 3-3 बजा रहा है, क्या कर रहा है पता नहीं. He literally showed me. Like भाई crazy, ये लोग कैसे करते हैं? But at least in Japan, तो like उसको ज़्यादा घूमने का travel नहीं है. But all over the world, like Skrillex also used to do like 300
He
shows
also
at
used
the
to do
point.
a
I
lot.
guess.
Bro, even here, like from the people we know, there are DJs who
Nuclear,
are,
it was used to do so many shows, like crazy.
Bro,
bro,
like
even
even
like
now.
Spin Doctor
Yeah.
does so many fucking shows.
अभी निकल गया
bro.
अमेरिका वापस.
And he's doing shows anywhere now. Like, I just see his story. I'm like, oh, Atlanta. Okay. Then he's like flying from Atlanta to Pune to play a whole gig. Yes, I know shit he's doing, bro.
Bro,
Like
कैसे
he's
कर रहा है?
traveling back and forth in time at this point. Like going to the one time
Yeah.
zone to the other.
It's crazy because उसका हो गया ना वो वीजा मिल गया उसको, so he can
अच्छा,
like
he
work
can
there
go.
अमेरिका में. So अभी लगा है वो full.
अच्छी बात है, bro. He's like one of the DJs that I like. Like I see his work and I'm like, bhai, like he's so skilled at what
Yeah.
he
He's
does.
very, very skilled, bro.
Yeah. I mean, his story is also pretty crazy.
हाँ,
He's an
man,
actual
like-
doctor.
Bro, these guys like me, Ashley, Spin Doctor, we go back in like 2014 जब हम लोग कुछ पता ही नहीं था इधर सीन में क्या था ना. So these guys were my mentors literally like. तो Ashley Alvarez को मिला मैं first, and then Ashley से मैं Spin Doctor को मिला. There was this one club in Malad which we played in. The club was called Shut the Fuck Up. And we played a Halloween night.
How edgy.
Yeah, bro.
In Malad.
And at that time तो like when we were playing for the first time, although खाने का कूपन मारने को भी डर लगता था कि भाई ज़्यादा मांग रहे हैं क्या कुछ
Yeah.
ऐसा. So those days were crazy, bro. Like, but these guys were always there for me. Like Spin Doctor, कुछ भी advice चाहिए रहेगा ना. So these guys helped me a lot. Ashley, Spin Doctor, रुचिर कुलकर्णी, you guys know? I'm not sure.
I don't think
So
so.
तभी के टाइम पे इन लोग मुंबई का क्लब सर्किट इन लोग ही थे. इन लोग 3 लोग 3-4 लोग. और वो सीन बंद ही हो गया, पता नहीं गायब हो गया. पहले लोग करते थे ना क्लब, कॉलेज वाले लोग प्रमोटर्स लोग मिलके बंदा पार्टीज रखते थे.
Yeah, bro. After we've moved here, like if we are going out, it's usually like some event. It's
Yeah.
not like we don't know which parties to go to, what clubs
Which
to
club
go
is
to.
playing what?
And whenever we've gone ourselves to some place, it's been like not good. Like ऐसा
Yeah.
randomly हम जा रहे हैं
Yeah.
इधर से.
Dead scene.
Now we just go where we know who's
Yeah,
playing.
that's only the best option.
Yeah.
मुंबई में वही सीन अभी थोड़ा डेड हो गया.
I think it has a lot to do with COVID. Probably
I don't
post-COVID,
know,
I think.
I guess people are preferring just to go to festivals now.
Yeah.
Outdoor events.
Now so there are just so many options for people. Like
Yeah.
every second there is some event happening. And
Bro,
now
like
can
the-
This month is crazy, na? Ed Sheeran हो रहा है,
yeah,
ये हो
Ed
रहा है,
Sheeran is happening now.
That's what I was gonna say. Like now, every weekend there is some big thing happening.
Yeah.
So like we are going. Jeezy देख रहे हैं, कभी Ed Sheeran देख रहे हैं. Like this is happening
Yeah.
30 minutes away from you. So
Yeah.
like kind of kills the.
पहले वो था एक्साइटमेंट था ना कि इतने साल में वो
Yeah.
स्वीडिश हाउस माफिया आ रहा है
भाई
चलो
पुणे से आते थे
That
हम.
was
I
crazy.
came from Pune to see Rehab.
You had come to see Rehab.
Rehab was on the lineup. Rehab and I think
Dimitri Vegas live.
Dimitri
My
Vegas
God.
like
Oh,
mine.
fuck.
Or like
I still haven't seen them live.
मम्मी
Same,
पापा से
same,
परमिशन
same.
मांग रहे हैं 1 महीना पहले.
Oh yeah, I didn't get
Bro,
permission.
मेरे
I
को मालूम है
remember
स्क्रिलेक्स जब आ रहा था ना मैंने पूछा भी नहीं मेरे को मालूम था मना करेगी मम्मी तो मैं पूछा ही नहीं
that.
था
जाना है
But the
Tenth
thing is,
standard में था तब मैं.
he's not come back, bro. After
हाँ I
that,
know bro.
for me, my biggest regret was not going for Avicii's concert. And I'd asked my parents. I cried also at home, saying, "Mujhe jana hai." They're like, "He'll come again."
Yeah, like,
And now I'm like, now where is he gonna come
You ever
again?
go to
bro?
them and be like,
Now I'll have to go to him.
Yeah. Soon I'll see him.
बच्चे को रुला
जा रहा है
दिया
देखो.
गाली पकड़.
जल्दी जाने.
तो स्क्रिलेक्स का रिमिक्स था ना वो अविची वाला लेवल्स
Levels.
का
Oh,
अभी भी बजता है.
अभी भी बजता है वो.
My first show was this Axwell and Grosso.
Oh yeah. 2014.
More than you know.
Yeah, that was the same.
वो गाना नहीं आया था.
It had come.
नहीं रहे.
2014. Oh, this.
भाई this is before.
Axel and Grosso.
This is when they had just split from Swedish House Mafia.
Oh, वो
13
तो
में they
full
split.
ड्रामा था ना तभी तो
Yeah,
full
yeah.
क्रेजी था. फोकट का स्टीव एंस लोग को गाली दे रहे हैं इन लोग सब.
But it was their beef. Axwell and Steve ka beef tha. That's why they split.
Yeah.
But now
But
they're
it was
just
very
monetizing
well.
it.
But it was very well planned, bro. If you
Yeah.
think of it, like in 2012 they announced saying bye,
But
and they came back in 2018, bro. 6 years later.
that time 2012 they were charging crazy.
They were
And they
charging
were
a lot.
just touring on 8 songs. Imagine
Yeah,
that.
it was
They
crazy.
just had
bro.
8 songs.
But have you seen them live when they came that time?
Oh.
Bro,
हाँ,
The production was so good that time.
One
for-
time it got cancelled and the
back
next
then,
time it
yeah.
happened. हाँ,
Yeah.
crazy.
It was like high level
अपन भी
production.
करते हैं ब्रो थोड़े टाइम के
Yeah.
बाद.
वो split हो रहे तुम लोग.
हाँ, split हो गए अपन फिर तुम दोनों अपना करो कुछ तो.
Yeah,
And then we'll come back together.
But वो reload गाना निकला था उसके बाद was really good.
Take
हाँ, वो
my
Ingrosso था.
hand.
that is only Ingrosso.
I guess
What a
ये सब
song,
ये
bro.
EDM वाले लोग जो अपने जो एज ग्रुप वालों की
Yeah.
रिलेट कर पाएंगे
Yeah,
podcast
this
को.
is such a.
They'll understand what we're
Yeah.
talking
Talking
about, bro.
All the girls have left.
Yeah, by now they have
Sorry.
other things. They're like, fuck these boys.
They'll just watch
Sitting and joking off
Yeah.
Skrillex over there.
They'll sit and watch the hair care part and
Come in.
नहीं bro मजा आता है ये सब
Yeah.
like this we
Yeah.
are talking about all this stuff after a while
Yeah,
because
bro.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's other people who went through the same
Yeah,
phases.
of course. There's also like
Yeah.
me and Rishabh from Lost Stories were planning. We want to do one night where we play all these old like
Hmm.
EDM,
Progressive
yeah,
house. That's
progressive
what
house.
I have this one playlist on my pen drive.
Haha.
It's called Prog House, and it has all the songs. And I'm always waiting to play it, but there's no venue
Let's
that you
do
can play
something.
it at.
Bro, we have to do an anti-social करना
Yeah,
है
bro.
throwback
Let's do
night
it.
करके.
कुछ तो ऐसा करते.
Spinner
That
Records का
sounds
बड़ा सा
sick.
S.
Yeah, we'll name it something like that. And we'll change it a little so spinning can't fuck us over.
yeah.
So
उल्टा
कि-
S.
Yeah, उल्टा S
एक
डालेंगे.
side पे spinning एक side पे reveal
और कौन सा था?
और कौन सा था तभी?
Musical Freedom.
Yeah, MF was there.
Ultra
Then-
Ultra Music भी था.
But Ultra was for like UKF and all.
No, that is UK. Ultra Music पे वो सब दामे को तो वो भी Ultra Music पे.
Okay, I don't remember that.
W कौन सा है?
Yeah.
I don't know there's like a bunch of shit.
Or we'll put that Trap City का पीछे. bro.
वो
Just
तब
changing on the
तब
beat.
हो रहा है ना भाई.
We'll- That will be the only
वो तो
visuals.
VT बना भी देगा
वो
live.
बना के लेंगे, bro. We want no visuals for this
Yeah.
concert.
नहीं what करते हैं like
Yeah.
I mean I feel like the idea is good
Yeah.
but like I feel like 10 minutes in हम भी बोलेंगे भाई क्या कर रहे हैं हम?
We'll suddenly be like shit.
वो एक मिनट का इंट्रो बनाना पड़ेगा.
We'll have-
So me and Anand play this game. हाँ हम लोग है ना हम लोग अभी playlist है वैसे ही.
हाँ.
We just play 1 second of the intro and guess
Guess
the
which
song.
song it is.
वो तो EDM song जिसका
Yeah.
intro में सिर्फ kick रहता है.
Oh, fuck, bro.
Hey bro, do you wear earplugs when you're doing gigs? Like your ears are fine or what?
While performing, mostly नहीं.
Hmm.
But if I'm attending some concert, the problem I'll tell you, the main problem is कि मेरा earplug इस पे लगा हुआ है.
हाँ.
और मैं कोई भी वेन्यू में जाता हूँ गाड़ी वाले को दे देता हूँ फिर वो रह जाता है तो मैं लेना भूल जाता हूँ प्रॉब्लम वो है सो वैसा सीन है बट जहाँ पे रहता है तो आई डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू वेयर इट ब्रो बिकॉज इट्स वेरी
It is my 1 year has stopped like.
ऑलरेडी
हाँ.
Yeah, Pete Tong.
Pete Tong was at
That's
least
a
talented,
very
bro. I just have to do
niche
nothing.
reference. नहीं bro वो दर्द होता है bro. Like during the gig
control
sometimes.
the monitor
But it's fun also na
I
to
know,
You want to like bump that up and feel that energy, bro.
और now because some venues don't have good sound, I feel like when you take down the
Yeah.
booth monitor, it kind of kills the vibe.
Yeah, that's true. Samne na
Yeah.
front crowd ke liye, yeah, that happens. So that's why for Necrec also we make sure ki samne we have center fills for the crowd aage. And but Necrec also it's too loud, bro. Sometimes because Antisocial ka stage is on the speaker,
It's on
the
the speaker.
so it's get too loud. But yeah, you should definitely plug
Where
this.
na?
Yeah, use a plug. You have one? Have you got it?
No, I'll get some now.
Yeah.
You
this
should
is
actually
like,
get, bro, before we go now.
Even if you have the AirPods, na, sometimes I just put the AirPods on, ऊपर रख देता हूँ, and then it also helps at shows.
Yeah.
But take care, bro. Take care of your ear. वही है अपने पास.
वो नहीं रहेगा तो क्या करेंगे फिर? अपन में वो उतना skill नहीं है.
I think so.
कि-
Nuclear
You can't be a
also-
deaf
Nuclear
DJ,
also has थोड़ा hearing issue in one ear because of touring and all.
Yeah.
And दूर लोगों को तो भाई बाजू में PA ही दे देते हैं
Yeah.
almost. The small monitor नहीं देते. It's
Yeah.
like almost having a small PA around
yeah.
them. But what is the way around? You need that energy also. Like you want to like dance.
You
on
want
the
to
stage.
feel it, like.
Yeah.
Maybe when it starts happening more often, you kind of get used to it, so you don't want to like. I don't know. Different shows, different vibe,
Yeah.
bro. Like some shows, I
Some
just
people-
want to stand nicely and like play.
Yeah.
Some shows I want to rate. Some shows are just like different. Like we
Climb on the
haven't.
stage.
We haven't yet climbed on the stage. have we?
Once I
bro.
did.
Where?
I think your mom's house party. Not on the stage. There was something on the side. I climbed on the speaker.
This was you did at that KP social gig.
That also I did. I've done it a bunch of times.
Yeah, he just randomly climbed, and I'm playing, and there's no place to stand, and I'm holding him with one hand. दूसरा mix चल रहा है.
So you guys mix on pen drives only, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Record box.
Yeah.
Nice. वो 112 BPM नहीं है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, check कर ले.
Bro, you remember Aika Dajiba is 112, no?
Oh, it's
I don't know,
75.
bro. Only you play that song.
Yeah, only I played every time. I insist on
मैं
playing
next time इसके साथ ही बजाऊंगा.
Yeah.
करते हैं like.
it. We'll call. Yeah, ठीक है. Because I asked him, I said, which song do we play after? He was like, play Zena. So
Yeah.
ठीक है, bro.
We should do a party together.
100% we
Yeah.
should, bro.
I don't think we've ever played on the same lineup.
No, I don't think so.
करते हैं कुछ. करते हैं.
We'll
Then you can't
organize
play
that.
his songs.
I won't. I'll have to. I'll have to
फिर भी
sit
बजाएगा
down.
ये.
I'll have to find a lot of music.
Okay. What do you have coming up next? अभी क्या चल रहा है? Anything you can
So I'm planning.
reveal?
Also, there's one song which I did. अभी ये तभी release हो जाएगा, I think so. So there's one song I did with. You guys have heard that song? It's Zain Naseeb.
Zain Naseeb,
Yeah,
हाँ.
this is a Bollywood song.
Yeah.
Vishal Shekhar composition. So we are making a new version of that, and that song has Shekhar sir himself on it. So it's not like you are taking a song and like just messing around with it. It's the OG guys are also there, and there's this singer Kashyap who's an amazing vocalist. So we made a new version of that song that's coming out next. And other than that, next month I have the show, the one like
13th
Karan Kanjan
yeah,
Experience, 2. So that's happening. And uske baad I might hopefully go to Japan again and work on my J-Trap stuff
Yeah.
this time.
When is the album coming, bro? Karan Kanchan album. I feel like that's.
That's
It's
long
been in
overdue.
the-
I know.
I think it's time.
Maybe after I'm back from Japan, but let's see. But yeah. But like I've been wanting to do the producer-led album for a while, but it's just that like I've been busy with so many other projects. I'm not getting enough time to like ideate it properly because I
Yeah.
don't want to do it. Just we take a lot of features and like all the artists I've worked with. I want it to be something extra than like.
You want it to be like an all-timer project where it's like a piece
that's
of
what
work.
I would want to
Yeah.
do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because scene कैसा है कि मतलब it's mostly अभी कैसा होता है album में is like just about like getting the biggest features and like creating the most hype, but how long will that music stick with people is also important.
Yeah.
Or maybe how unique that piece of music is. It's like I make a bunch of beats and send it all to my rapper friends and tell them to
Yeah.
feature on it. It's not that I'm also trying to like make an album which is like makes a story or anything. It's just that I want it to be something maybe have interesting collaborations like which people wouldn't expect. So that's the goal, and for that I'm like trying to figure out time because this needs a lot of time.
Yeah.
But before doing this whole hip hop thing, that's what I was saying. Like when I started off with the whole J-Trap and as an artist, right?
Yeah.
So this year I want to give that one shot to my artist profile. So that's why I'm going to Japan and like working on this J-Trap album there with the musicians there.
Yeah.
and I'm just gonna do it for fun. I don't care what happens out of it, but I just want to do it so that I don't regret later कि मतलब ये time था मेरे पास और I didn't do it.
Yeah.
So that's one thing which I'm gonna do in this year for sure. Other than that, there's a lot of Bollywood stuff also going on in talks. Got a chance to work with Vishal Shekhar, got a chance to work with Pritam Da. That is next, bro. Pritam Da का music पे तो मतलब literally बड़ा हुआ हूँ.
Yeah.
To be in the room with that guy and like working with him was a experience of a lifetime, bro. And the stories those guys have to tell about each song, right? Like just चुपचाप बैठ के सुनो, उन लोग बात करते रहते हैं and they'll tell, अरे वो गाने में ये किया था, like भाई.
Hopefully someday we have them here and like ask them about these stories.
Pritam Da is bro, how many songs? That guy, bro, too good.
Damn.
Vishal Shekhar is also like with their working process now. I'm glad, like, I'm blessed that I've got a chance to be in that space to view that.
Yeah.
Because it's a very access related thing. Like not everyone
Not
gets
everyone
an
gets to
access.
do that.
So it is more precious to be in that space rather than like getting paid for your work. It's like being in that moment with around the artists and seeing them how they work. So when I saw Vishal Shekhar also working in front of, this was for Fighter, when they were working on the song Ishq Jaisa Kuch, they called me to produce it, and the director Siddharth Anand is that he's very specific about his vision and everything, and Shekhar sir would like literally spit out melodies. मैं बोल रहा भाई इतना अच्छा तो इतना अच्छा melody, and he's like इसमें मजा नहीं, scrap on to the next one. He's not even like, they're not holding it to anything. They're like, they know they're here for the art director, they're here for the movie. They're like, okay, yes, Shekhar sir is doing that, and then Vishal sir is also there. He's just sitting there on his phone and everything, and then we're recording some parts of the vocals. Then suddenly Vishal sir runs and comes to the mic and jaldi record karo. I'm like, okay. And put the mic on, and in that 1 minute or 2 minutes, he comes and does those 2 lines. And those are the goosebump line of the song, bro. Out of nowhere, it literally comes suddenly, and he did it. And I was like, how do these guys work? And I was like just trying to observe that. It was too good, bro. Like, it was very it's like I was the only guy who got to see that song being made. So that's a different
experience altogether.
So the way they work and everything is crazy, bro. Like, I want to learn more. So that's what I'm trying to learn from them so that I can implement it in my music also. So let's see. There's a lot of Bollywood stuff hopefully happens this year.
Cool.
Big year.
Big year for you.
Yes.
I mean, it's already been like it's been 3 months and you've done so much. Now there's so much more to come. I'm excited for you. And just to like, now we've done this episode also, so we're invested in your career.
That's a lot more personal.
It was most of our talk, bro. Like, देख रहे हो तो हम बात कर रहे हैं ऐसा हो गया.
It's like a music reunion.
Just
talking about our old days.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, but I appreciate you doing this.
Yeah, this was
good luck for the rest of the year. And
You guys
we'd
too,
love to
man.
have you back anytime.
Yeah. 100%.
after you're back from Japan, bro. Come back,
Yeah,
come
one
back.
more
Yeah.
episode.
We'll throw a party that time.
Yeah, we should do that.
We'll do something.
No, we should do that EDM thing maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe it would work. Yeah, I know 10 minutes के बाद शायद बोर हो जाए, but let's see.
फिर अपने बजाएंगे.
That will be towards the last hour, I think, where we can just play all the classics.
Once they're drunk enough, you can.
Once
play
everyone is
whatever you
drunk
want.
enough, and we'll have to keep it 21 plus. Because only those kids will understand the
Yeah.
music, bro. So they'll only get the nostalgic.
Plus are only allowed anyways.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oops.
What's your age?
I am 25.
Oops, ऐसा बोला है मैंने.
Okay, chalo.
Yeah.
Chalo, thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Cheers, guys.
Let's go. 1